This is the unboxing of the Planet Industrial Kerr Stuart Victory. I'd not come across it. I pre-ordered this quite a while ago. Nice little industrial engine. Let's have a look. I have to say, this is unboxings is not something I'm really into, but I thought I would in this case because I don't think there's going to be an awful lot of these about. I don't know, I'm probably totally wrong. There's the leaflet that comes with it. I don't think we'll go into too much detail in that. There's a bit of a overview, prototype history, etc, etc. But let's get this, let's have a look. I haven't taken this out before myself, I must admit. So let's have a look. If it'll come out of the box, which it isn't. I think this is the first fully formed loco that Planet Industrials have attempted, so it'll be interesting to see. I thought I'd give them my support, seeing as they were a sort of a fledgling. Nice little bag of stuff and one coupling. I'm assuming there's already one on it. Oh no, there isn't. No, it's steps, it wasn't a coupling. There we go. Right. It's certainly well packaged. It came in a very good outer package. Look at this. Here we go. Oh yes. Looks very good. I ordered the grey. I just like that colour. It's photographic grey, I think they call it. Now I'm going to run this in before I show it moving, so I'm guessing that would be a good half an hour in each direction. Let's just double check if it says anything in the bump. Blah 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 blah. I have got some nameplates coming for this at a later date, but they're going to be about another 3 weeks yet, I think. Yeah, gently running in for an hour in each, well, half an hour in each direction to bed in the bits and pieces. So I'll do that before I do any more. See you later. Well, running in is over. It's been absolutely superb. Hasn't hiccuped, hasn't done anything. To describe it a bit closer, the boiler appears to be metal or die cast, although the tanks aren't, which is not a problem. It's quite heavy. I'm not going to weigh it, but it is quite heavy, which really helps, I think, with traction. I haven't tried pulling anything yet, so we'll try that perhaps in a minute. Quite slow running, as we shall see now. That's 30%, up to 50. Light fades a little bit as we go around here. Will it get across the... yes, it will. We'll just do one circuit. I'll just whop it up to 70%. And on through to 100%. Slight sign of the next video there, getting ready. And we'll come back round to the station. And we'll pause there for a moment while I think of something to pull. Right, we're going to go round and pick up some, well, 3 bogie wagons. These are ballast wagons, they're filled with ballast. 1 non-bogie wagon. Now this is the second time I've done this because for some reason it doesn't like this set of points. But we've done it this time, which is only go across them forwards. So now I've had to change the coupling to a large tension lock because that's what these ballast wagons have. But I keep a stock of them. They're Bachmann ones and they're a little bit on the chunky side, but there we go. Right, let's see how it goes with these. They're not particularly heavy, but they're quite a nice little train. They make up quite a nice little train. I live quite near to a village called Otford, which has a antique centre in it, well, more than one. But in the antique centre there, one of the traders just excuse my hand, one of the traders deals in low gauge, well, and a few other things, wagons, locos, all sorts of things. What he does do is he weathers them, or I think his son weathers them, and so I have quite a few weathered pieces and nearly all of them come from there. I mean, this has been going on for a good few years. I've been going there. Now all of a sudden it doesn't like the express points. I think I'm going a bit too slow. Let's speed up a bit. Oh, that's better. I was. Yeah, so yeah, that's a good source of weathered wagons and locos. I've got 1 or 2 locos from him. In fact, I've got some old Hornby 002 rail. What do they call them? The EMUs. I got them from him a good few years ago. It's all good stuff. Half decent price, so it all helps. Anyway, back to what's the loco in question. Seems to be hauling them absolutely no problem at all. So I'm over the moon with it. So I think Planet Industrials have got a little bit of a winner there. And if you've been eagle-eyed, you'll have probably spotted what the next video will be about. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do this as one of my weeklies or I might pop this one in between. Haven't decided yet. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, that's it for now. And we'll finish in the light.